The complete white body shell rotates on the assembly platform as its structural integrity is verified.
Precision is paramount. In the sterile environment of the paint booth, advanced robotics apply.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the wet sanding station meticulously smooths the primer, resulting in this immaculate, mirror-like surface.
Utilizing advanced automation, the overhead cranes manage the heavy lifting, bringing the raw steel to the stamping lines with absolute precision.
Precision is paramount. Each aluminum pallet is scanned, ensuring seamless integration into the assembly line.
Here in the main distribution hub, advanced automation ensures every component reaches the assembly line with surgical precision.
The journey begins as massive aluminum ingots are fed into the recycling furnace, a crucial step in sustainable electric vehicle production.
Molten aluminum flows into the transfer crucible. This liquid metal will soon become the single-piece front and rear underbody.
From the furnace, the molten aluminum is carried by automated overhead tracks directly into the Gigapress for high-precision structural casting.
The 9,000-ton Gigapress, the world's largest die-casting machine, dominates the factory floor.
The precision mold cavity is sprayed with a fine mist of release coating, ensuring a flawless finish for the next generation of Tesla vehicles.
Massive casting machine begins the process as molten aluminum flows into the die cavity at precisely the right temperature.
This massive Gigapress requires an equally powerful cooling system, creating dramatic steam as the fresh casting rapidly solidifies.
Welcome, we're the Gigafactory, where the future of manufacturing is forged. This is the
With absolute precision, the automated system removes the complex casting. This single piece replaces hundreds.
A massive single-piece aluminum structure being lifted, it replaces 70 individual parts. Here at the heart of the Gigafactory, laser-guided saws flash with precision, trimming the chassis to perfection.
To ensure engineering excellence, every casting undergoes a rigorous scan, forming a detailed point cloud on screen.
Precision is paramount. This articulated arm verifies the micro-tolerances of the massive structure before it moves to the assembly line.
Automated quality gate. Approved casting moving forward on conveyor. Rejected piece diverted. At the heart of the Gigafactory, these are the fresh front and rear castings, lined up with absolute precision. Precision alignment. Rear casting positioned against central battery tray structure. Laser guides active.
Advanced laser welding precisely fuses the aluminum chassis, ensuring unparalleled structural integrity for every vehicle.
Structural bonding is key to the chassis' rigidity. applied flawlessly by these advanced automated systems. Sensor array scanning body shell, checking alignment within 0.5 millimeter tolerance. The complete white body shell rotates on the assembly platform as its structural integrity is verified.
As the automated doors seal with millimeter precision, the body enters sterile paint.
To ensure a perfect finish, the body undergoes a high-pressure chemical wash, meticulously removing all impurities before the paint application. In the electrocoating stage, electricity ensures every surface of the chassis is perfectly sealed against corrosion.
Here in the pre-treatment tanks, the chassis undergoes a critical process, the zinc phosphate bath.
Inside the oven, the chassis is subjected to a 180 degrees Celsius. The infrared heaters harnessing the power of advanced automation, these robots precisely smooth the cured e-coat, showcasing the pinnacle of modern manufacturing innovation.
Utilizing high-pressure air, the cleaning station meticulously clears the chassis of all sanding residue, ensuring a perfect surface.
Here in the paint booth, the robotic arms apply the primer coat, ensuring perfect coverage before the color is added.
This 45-minute journey through the multi-stage oven ensures the primer is perfectly bonded to the metal.
Using specialized equipment, the team checks for even the slightest imperfection in the primer before the top coat is applied.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the wet sanding station meticulously smooths the primer, resulting in this immaculate, mirror-like surface.
The chassis now enters the hermetically sealed paint booth, where positive air pressure ensures a flawless... This is the pinnacle of automated manufacturing. 6 synchronized robots apply the finish simultaneously.
Precision is paramount. In the sterile environment of the paint booth, advanced robotics apply. Robot precision is paramount here. Note the tight clearances around the door handles, maintaining the exact 200 millimeter spray distance.
Here in the paint booth, advanced automation ensures every surface receives a flawless base coat, resulting in this gleaming finish.
In the flash-off zone, precise temperature control ensures the solvents evaporate completely, preparing the surface for the final clear coat.
Applying transparent protective layer, depth building with each pass.
This is the critical final stage, the application of the clear coat, resulting in the signature liquid glass shine.
High-temperature clear coat oven, 140 degrees Celsius curing cycle hardening finish. Vision system cameras scanning entire body surface, AI detecting microscopic flaws.
Approved body advancing to final assembly. The quality approved indicator is lit green.
Manufacturing innovation at scale. The production facility combines raw materials and advanced automation to create the finished battery pack. Precision is paramount here. The copper foil races through the coater, receiving a flawless layer of electrode slurry at high speed. The anode material is precisely applied to the foil substrate, showcasing the engineering excellence behind Tesla's battery innovation.
The coated electrodes race through the heated chamber.
The dramatic evaporation process is meticulously controlled.
Here at the Gigafactory, precision slitting ensures the electrode sheets are cut to the exact cell dimensions required for the battery modules.
The heart of the process lies in this automated winding machine, where electrode sheets are precisely rolled.
This is the heart of the matter, the 4680 cell.
The heart of the process, laser welding. Cell cans are hermetically sealed with absolute precision, eliminating any chance of contamination.
LED indicators on formation chargers, cells stabilizing voltage.
Automated testing. Each cell's capacity measured and recorded. Sorting by performance tier.
The specialized aluminum heat exchanger is precisely lowered onto the cell group, secured with a thermally conductive adhesive and high-voltage bus bars connecting cell modules in series parallel configuration.
The battery management system precisely monitors voltage, temperature, and current across every cell group in real time.
Structural battery pack. Cells, cooling, and electronics integrated into the vehicle floor structure. Final battery testing. Electrical isolation check 9 PAST. Leak test PST.
Here, the freshly painted body shell joins the main assembly line, guided by our synchronized AGV system, demonstrating the pinnacle of automated precision. This is where the vehicle's central nervous system comes to life. The main power and data cables are precisely routed.
The specialized tool applies the exact torque required, a testament to the seamless integration of robotics and precision engineering.
Advanced automation ensures the complete climate control unit drops perfectly into the dashboard cavity, a testament to precision engineering. Advanced automation allows the dashboard to slide seamlessly into the vehicle frame, ensuring perfect alignment every time.
Precision is paramount as the main display is carefully integrated, bringing the vehicle's central nervous system to life.
Here, the center console assembly, complete with the wireless charging pad, is secured by high-torque robotics.
The seating modules are integrated seamlessly into the vehicle architecture by KUKA Robotics, ensuring structural integrity and precise alignment. Using advanced automation, the robotic arm applies a perfect urethane seal, ensuring the windshield is precisely positioned on the vehicle.
At the door hanging station, precision hinges are aligned by synchronized robots, achieving panel gaps measured in microns.
The battery pack is carefully lowered into the chassis by the robotic arms. Guide pins ensure millimeter-perfect alignment.
The rear motor assembly, integrating the reducer and inverter, is precisely guided into the chassis.
Advanced automation is key. Here, All 4 wheels are mounted simultaneously with pneumatic.
The power-on sequence initiates a rapid diagnostic check, bringing the vehicle's advanced systems online.
Here we see the automated brake test, a crucial step in verifying the ABS and regenerative braking systems before final assembly. The water test booth simulates the most extreme conditions, ensuring every seal is perfectly secured before the vehicle leaves the factory.
Battery output measurement. Full power discharge test, confirming range capability.